Shri Bhagwati presents Mouthwash Filling Line. A mouthwash filling line is a production line specifically designed for the automated filling, capping, and packaging of mouthwash or oral care products. This type of production line is commonly used in the pharmaceutical, personal care, and cosmetic industries. The filling machine is designed to accurately dispense the appropriate amount of mouthwash into each bottle. It may use various technologies such as gravity filling, piston filling, or peristaltic pumps depending on the viscosity of the mouthwash. After filling, bottles move to the capping machine where caps or closures are securely applied to the bottles. The capping process ensures a tight seal to prevent leaks. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.